Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to.
So here's the update on our chicken coop. Hey there. So the Rhode Islands are getting big. They're really, really big. They eat a lot. Hey, you, come on. Hey, hello. Are you just waking up from your nap? Huh? Come down here. The leghorns are getting bigger as well. Look at that. They're getting big. Yeah, hi. So we added this door in our coop to separate the older chickens from the younger chickens. Otherwise, the older chicken will bully the younger chickens. They're like about 2 months old. So they're still pretty young. So we went to a local farm in Santantioco and we got these nice chickens. So we have a black rooster australorp, a blue hen australorp, and an orpington. Where you go? There. An orpington. They're really, really nice. I'm so excited about it. I want to have australorp in my coop. And orpington, I don't know much about orpington, but I'm excited as well to have them. And they're getting big. They're like just maybe a month, no, about 2 months old. And they're getting big already. And on top of that, these are our quails. Hi quails. Hello. So we bought some quails. These are some jumbo quails. We have 8 hens and 4 roosters. This one is a female. If you see that there's a freckled feather on her chest. And this one right here is a male. The brown rusty color on his chest. That's how you sex the quails. See up here. Hey. They're getting big. Yep, they're like about a month old. So they should be ready for laying eggs soon. I hope, because Tori loves quail eggs. So I made this feeder. This is just an old ice cream container. And keep the lid on. I cut holes through it. Put the feeds so they can access it without stepping on it or going inside the feed, which is wasting a lot of it, which what happened with this container. With this, as you see, they eat and they step on them and they poop and they eat their own poop. They are nasty. Really nasty. I don't like that. Hey, someone's doing a sand bath. You guys enjoying your sand bath? Yeah. Yes, they're enjoying their sand bath. Huh?